Hi students, O-Levels Online presents the video lecture series for other adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the last in first out methods working example. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Level upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE or IGCSE, 9-1, for accounting 7707, or 0452 or 0985. Let's begin with the example material. In this working example, assume that a business has just completed its first financial year and is about to value inventory at cost price. It has dealt in only one item. Data are as follow: on January, 10 units bought at the rate of $30 each; on April, 10 units bought at the rate of $34 each; on May, 8 units sold at the rate of $30 each; October, 20 units bought at the rate of $40 each; and on November, 20 units sold at the rate of $40 each, 2 units sold at the rate of $34 each, and 2 units sold at the rate of $30 each. Requirement is, calculate the cost of closing inventory on a LIFO basis, total value of purchases and sales with the help of the given data. Let's move to the solution. In the solution, we observe that January and April entries record in purchase columns the total inventory showed as $640 at the end of the April. On May, we sold 8 units, but form the last lot that was purchased in April due to LIFO system following. Same practice with the November sale units. First we release the last 2 lots from the warehouse due to LIFO. This whole working shows the total units purchased, sold and closing inventory in hand at the end of the year. Let's move to another example. In another example, assume a company has the following inventory transactions and sales: beginning inventory, 100 units at $10 each; purchase, 1,200 units at $12 each; purchase, 2,150 units at $15 each; total sales, 300 units at $20 each; operating expenses $500 and non-operational expenses $300. Requirement is, calculate the cost of goods sold, sales revenue, gross profit, operating profit, and net profit under LIFO method for inventory valuation with the help of the given data. Let's move to the solution. To calculate the cost of goods sold, using LIFO, the cost of goods sold is based on the cost of the early inventory first as per working. The calculated cost of goods value is $4,050. Let's move to another solution. To calculate the sales revenue, the sales revenue is units multiplied by selling price. As per working, the calculated sales revenue value is $6,000. Let's move to another solution. To calculate the gross profit, the gross profit is sales minus cost of goods sold. As per working, the calculated gross profit value is $1,950. Let's move to another solution. To calculate the operating profit is gross profit minus operating expenses. As per working, the calculated operating profit value is $1,450. Let's move to another solution. To calculate the net profit is operating profit minus non-operating expenses. As per working, the calculated net profit value is $1,150. Let's move to another solution. Overall working for net profit shows the combined workings for all requirements. Positively, you got the clear understanding of the concept of LIFO inventory valuations, and related working examples as well as per your syllabus and examination point of view. If you have any query regarding the lesson, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. We will discuss the definition and explanation for the average cost output method in the upcoming next video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.